Welcome to this guide on installing the AMK air suspension compressor for the BMW 5 Series E61. Proper installation is crucial for optimal performance, so let's walk through the steps to ensure a successful setup. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by setting the steering to straight ahead. Raise the vehicle and remove the right side rear wheel. Loosen and remove the fasteners holding the inner fender well and the rear lower plastic shield to expose the vehicle's air suspension compressor. Disconnect the two electrical plugs from the rear of the compressor. Also disconnect the electrical connector from the valve block. Next, disconnect the air lines from the valve block. Now disconnect the intake hose. Remove the 4 screws securing the air compressor in place and remove the air compressor from the vehicle. The removal is now complete. Do not remove the air fitting from the air suspension compressor. Doing so may cause damage and void warranty. Remove the white shipping pin from the new air fitting and insert the air line until fully seated. Install the new AMK compressor in the reverse order of removal. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications to ensure a secure and proper fit. Inspect the air springs for any type of cracks or excessive wear. Leaking air springs will cause the compressor to overheat from continuous operation. Thank you for following our guide. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.